My name is Amanda Ramer-Tait. I'm an assistant professor in the Department of Food Science and Technology. I'm also a member of the Nebraska Food for Health Center. And our research that's supported by the Nebraska Corn Board focuses on understanding the role of resistant starches in prevention and treatment of metabolic diseases and obesity. I grew up on my family's farm in Kentucky, and so I understand that agriculture and the foods that we eat can have a very positive impact on our lives. And so being here at the University of Nebraska in our food science department gives me the opportunity to combine my personal interests in agriculture as well as my professional interests in biomedical science with the ultimate goal of developing and understanding how foods and our diet can have a positive impact on our health and well-being. So when we began our research project, we were very interested in understanding the role of gut microbes in mediating the beneficial effects of resistant starches for human health. Resistant starches are so named because they are resistant to digestion in the upper portions of our digestive tract. Bacteria make beneficial byproducts through the breakdown of these resistant starches, and those byproducts or metabolites can have a very important positive benefit on our gut health and our overall health and well-being. We also knew from other investigators' works that resistant starches were actually very beneficial in regulating metabolic responses in people, such as improving glucose levels or improving insulin levels. So the long-term goals are to understand how different dietary interventions can be used to reshape the gut microbial community and have positive impacts on our health and well-being, so that we can prescribe them or recommend them to individuals so that they can have a very personalized approach to managing their nutrition and hopefully even prevent the development of chronic lifestyle diseases. So we think our research can have a very positive impact on the agriculture industry. If we understand the basic mechanisms by which dietary interventions such as resistant starches have their positive effects on humans, then we can offer that information to consumers. And so that allows the consumer to make more educated decisions about their diet. Then that creates a market, and it creates an opportunity for Nebraska corn growers and other corn producers across the country to grow these varieties of corn that may be high in resistant starches, for example. And if we create these economic opportunities, then we hope we just give producers another opportunity to grow a value-added product. Support from the Nebraska Corn Board has been incredibly important to our research. Their investment into our research program gave us the initial momentum to start this project. And by learning this new information, I've actually been able to contribute that information to the scientific literature. I've been able to communicate it to consumer groups, but more importantly, I've also been able to write for grant applications to receive federal funding to continue this line of research. I'm excited about our work because it's an opportunity to learn something new about a dietary intervention. It's an opportunity to learn something new about how we can add value for our corn producers here in the state of Nebraska, and it's an opportunity to learn something new about how we can improve someone's health.